Hola! Welcome to Tongue-Tied Tales. Here, we read short Spanglish stories slowly and clearly to help you train your ears to recognize familiar Spanish words. Each story ties the two languages naturally, and the pace is perfect for listeners who want to follow along without feeling rushed. If you want a challenge, try to listen to the story without reading along. If you'd like stories with more Spanish or more English, just head to the channel and click on the playlist that fits your level. We've got something for everyone, whether you're just starting out or looking for a gentle way to practice both languages. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's story. The Boy and the Whispering Wind. Eli tenía 9 años when his dog, Scout, went missing. They had been best friends since Eli could remember. Scout with his oreja rota and eyes that always seemed to entender, and Eli with a heart too big for his small cuerpo. Every morning, they walked in the bosque behind their granja. Scout chased ardillas. Eli imagined they were knights defending a reino. But one foggy tarde in early otoño, Scout ran ahead and didn't come back. Eli called and called, his voice cracking in the cold air. But there was only silencio. His padres searched too, linternas bobbing in the dark, but Scout was gone. Días passed, then semanas. The forest felt quieter without him. Eli stopped playing outside. He drew Scout instead, docenas of pictures taped to his bedroom walls. His padres gently told him that sometimes perros don't come back, and that maybe it was time to let go. But Eli wasn't ready. One afternoon, months later, a strange wind stirred through the trees, susurrando, twisting the golden hojas in slow spirals. Eli, drawn by something he couldn't explain, followed it into the woods. It carried a sound, soft, familiar, like a ladrido. He followed deeper than he'd ever gone, heart racing, until he found an old ardbol split by lightning. There, tucked beneath its roots, was Scout's worn blue collar, mud-stained but still intact. Eli knelt, running a finger over the metal etiqueta. He didn't llorar. Instead, he smiled. Somehow, he knew Scout was gone for good, but finding the collar, hearing that wind, it felt like Scout had come back to say adios. Eli walked home and looked up at the estrellas, his pocket a little heavier and his heart a little más ligero. And that's our cuento for today. Did you catch all the Spanglish magic? If your ears had fun, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Want more Spanish? Less Spanish? We got you. Hop over to the playlists and pick your perfect flavor. See you next time for another tale full of palabras, aventuras, and maybe un poco de locura. Hasta pronto, storyteller.